In this video, we will look into the cat command. It is one of the most popular commands, and it is used to read files and print their contents to standard output. Here we see the syntax of the cat command. The option and file arguments on square brackets are optional. The three dots mean that we can repeat the preceding item. We're going to test a couple of options here, but first, let's keep it simple. I have already created a dummy file here, so let's see its contents. Pretty simple, right? Now let's say that we want to number all output lines. We can do it with the N option. If we want to skip the empty rows, we can use the B option. If we want to suppress the repeated empty lines to increase readability, we can use the S option. Also, one common issue that we face with YAML files is the tab characters that break our file integrity. We can solve this with the help of the capital T option. All tab characters are displayed with the caret symbol and the capital I. So even if a file looks with correct alignment, we can discover easily the broken parts. We can even filter the output with the help of the grep command to print the tab characters and their row number in case we have a lot of lines. Except from printing the file contents, we can use cat command to create or write to a file. We can do it by typing cat-greater than and then the name of the file. This way, the cat command reads the standard input and prints it on the file. Cool, right? Important note, single greater than replaces the file's contents, so it's safer to use when creating new files. To append to an existing file, use double greater than. What shell command should we dig up next? Tell me below. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.